Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily ask a friend to verify on WeChat. So let's head over to the WeChat app. And from here, just log into your account. So once you've logged into your WeChat account, you will be directed to this page. And in the lower right of the screen, you can see the Me icon. Just click on it. So now here in your profile page, just click on Settings. And in the settings page, you can see the friends permissions option. Click on it. And in the friends permissions page, you can see the require friend request. So right now it's currently toggled on, but if yours is turned off, make sure to turn it on. And in that way, people will have to send you a friend request first before they can add you or before they can even send you messages. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily ask a friend to verify first on WeChat. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!